moments later.
Now, I'm going to cut the hole first. Now, you just need to cut the hole. Oh, it looks like that. Hello. Now I'm going to cut it into pieces. Ooh, now I'm already cutting them into pieces. Anyway, now I'm going to put some hot glue in the hot glue gun.
A few moments later.
Now I already finished all the parts, but except for the start and finish line. Abracadabra! Ooh, the start line is here now. Let me stick it in here. Right here. Okay, now I'm going to think of us finish line. Oh, it could be here. Here. Abracadabra. Ooh, another one. Let me stick it right here. Ta-da! Now, okay. Now I'm going to play it. Oh, see, my marble goes away. So maybe I need to put something under it. Oh, it is a tray. Now, I'm going to put the tray there. Now I'm going to get it. Ooh, abracadabra. Now, put it. Now. Look. It is finished! Let me try it out. Oops. Oh, where can I get it? Oh, I can get it right here. It is called lava. It's called the lava pond. Let me get the marble from the lava pond. Okay. Here it is. Let me try it again. Again. Okay. Let me try the last time. Oops, again that. Oh. This is the end of my video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please share,